Hey, it's Nikki. Thanks for stopping by. And today I'm just going to be making some beef soft tacos here. I'm not really going to explain how I'm doing it. It's just a quick chit chat, a little update, and just to spend some time with you guys. But dinner came out really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So stick around, and thank you for the prayers and all the messages that I got yesterday. So we are doing something easy today. We're just going to do some beef soft tacos. The meat is already cooked up. I actually boiled it in some water. Well, my daughter's helping me out a lot today. My mom is here as well because of my little episode yesterday and today. Still not feeling that great, but better than yesterday, thank God. So we're just getting something simple going. Get this meat. You want to chop it up real good. And the only seasoning I use for taco seasoning is Johnny's seasoning. Everybody's always asking me, what do you put in your taco meat? Especially if you're watching Miss Alma. She loves this stuff. And I got this at Walmart. And this is what I use for my fries as well. This is a great seasoning for fries. Homemade fries. Alright, I'm going to open up my other can of Johnny's because that one is already out. And I'm going to get this chopped up more and seasoned a little more. Okay, here's my new one. And I'm not measuring how much I put in here. I just kind of throw it in there, mix it around. Looks like a lot, but there's a lot of ground beef in here. I just taste as I go. So I'm going to chop this up a little more, mix everything around, and then I'm going to taste it to see if it needs any more seasoning. So I tried the all natural allergy pill, and I was so surprised by the ingredients. I don't know anything about going natural, you know, that type of stuff. I've never even really looked into it, but I've heard some amazing things, so that's why I wanted to try it. Anyways, I tried the pill. And it tasted like I was eating like Italian food or oregano. Okay, this should be plenty. That was a lot. And I was looking at the ingredients. It had oregano in it and all kinds of like other herbs. Hence, all natural. But yeah, so I don't know. I took it today. My allergies weren't that bad. I did get a huge headache, but I think it was a tension headache. I guess from all the stress from yesterday and, well, been stressing lately, I guess. I don't know. And let me taste it now. Okay, that's enough. And that's it. This is ready. I don't like my meat greasy, so we cook it, we put water in it, and then we put it through the strainer. And if it needs to be strained again, I add more water until it's not greasy. I don't like greasy meat. Just trying to do this with one hand while holding the camera. I wish I knew where my tripod was, but I actually got a lot of responses on Facebook about people who went on natural. And I got some great advice on there. Are working with me in my little city are really nice, and I've been able to communicate with them all day. I message them on Facebook if I have any questions, and they reply right away or as soon as they can, but it's always in the same day, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, yesterday was so crazy. I just did not feel good. I really wish I didn't have these type of allergies. It really works up my anxiety, which makes it worse. When I got that tension headache a while ago, I just felt my blood pressure go whoop, and then my anxiety right behind it. But yeah, I just had to calm down and try to relax. So I just wanted to make this real quick. This is something easy to make. Something easier would have been something in the crock pot. But I keep making chicken, and I don't have other ingredients other than stuff for chicken soup. And I'm tired of chicken soup. I'm actually getting tired of chicken. I haven't had ground beef in a minute. So I was like, why not some some beef tacos. Mom over there, look at her. Cutting up them avocados, the tomatoes. She's here helping me out today. And I really appreciate it. And those are my girls yelling because they're playing Fortnite. Anyways, we're just going to make this quick dinner. I'll do like a follow-up about the all-natural route that I am trying to go.
One or two tomatoes?
I think that'll be good.
Okay.
Because I was surprised how many people were interested about it as well. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it wasn't like a lot. I had like 5 people. But that's enough for me to want to share my journey with. Even if it was just one person that was curious. Because I know I'm curious, and it helps me when people are replying on my Facebook or my Instagram, messaging me, sending me links to places here in my city, and hooking me up with the people I'm talking with now, and I really do appreciate that. So this is how I do my tacos. Now, don't judge me. Don't knock it till you try it, because my friend Alma was like, ew, that looks so gross. She tried it. She really didn't even end up really liking it, but other people, she's the only person that didn't like it. Other people try it, and they like it now. That's how they eat it. And I actually got this from my Uncle Kenny. So I've been eating it like that since I was a little girl. So what I do is, you put your beef, squirt it. Now, if you don't like mustard, of course, you're not going to like this. But if you like mustard, I get that and I put it in there. Then I get my hot sauce, which I have heartburn, and this is just great for that. Put it in there. And then I get an avocado. One will do. Oh, one will do because they're long. Like that. If you have lettuce, you can do lettuce. I like cilantro. And you can also squeeze a lemon on this if you want. And that tastes really, really good. And then I get a little bit of tomato. Right there. And then you cannot forget some cheese and crumble it in there. Little more. And this is how we eat our beef soft tacos. That's it. Of course, prepare it the way you want to. This is just an easy dinner. I didn't even make rice or beans. That's how you know when someone's not feeling good. You don't see any sides. Dated on, for those who care about the natural way of going for allergies and health. And thank you for stopping by. Thanks for all the love and support and the prayers. And I will see you guys on the next one. Be blessed.